Hello friends, good evening. Today I am going to show you some of the business cases where business are selling some of the items and products which requires additional service for installation or fittings. So I am trying to cover one case where the business is about selling electronic items like televisions, LED TV, refrigerator or washing machines which requires installation services at client place. So here I have defined some of the product which can do same like LED TV, washing machine and all. Okay, and now here I am planning to sell this washing machine to one of the customer. Okay, so during washing machine sale, as I have added this product installation service in the optional product, system will ask you to edit. So yes, I will say add and confirm. So with my washing machine, I am also selling my installation services at rupees 1. Let it be. And then I confirm the order. As soon as I confirm this order, the system will generate a task inside my project and a delivery for washing machine. So if I go to task is now associated with my installation service project and it will require installation service worksheet to fill up and then a timesheet also how much time it takes to the technician to perform that. So I'm going into my sales order and going into delivery and first I will deliver my item. Okay, so item is delivered now and then when I'm going back to sales order and now I am moving to my project. So my project is the installation service project which I have defined under my service type and it is a part of field service project. So either you go from here or if you go from field service, here you will find the same information. Okay, the installation service connected to my sales order number 5. This is SGJ 5 number, so it is here. I am opening it and then I am assigning it to the person, that is me, who is going to perform this. And he says it is in progress now, and when I go there I can start the service. Meanwhile, if you want to see the address of services, you can just jump onto the map view and it will take you to the installation services directly, which means you can either open the card over here or if you want to navigate, system will allow you to navigate using your mobile device and it will open a map from your current location to this customer address. So the technician has to install this mobile app and then perform this duty. Okay, it is taking time to load, but this is one feature which is very useful for many people. I'm just going back to task again and now in 5 number I will say I am at client space place and now I start installation services. During that I have to fill up this worksheet. Okay, so I am opening my worksheet and filling up the worksheet which is defined by the company. And then I am checking like package was okay. I have unpacked the main product, unpacked the accessories. I have opened the package and installation remark. TV mounted on wall. Okay, and then is asking me to attach a photograph also, which I can capture a photograph after installation and attach over here in my service sheet. Okay, so it's done now. I can say the task is done and I am also stopping my watch. Normally system keep tracks of hours spent in 15 minutes of interval. I'm taking like 45 minutes took to service and that's it. Now I can say this task mark is done and then I can ask my customer to sign a report, which is a very good feature with this, where customer will see all this, sales order number, the washing machine, the installation services. Okay, and then I can just sign it. Customer will sign over here on our mobile device, and it will be frozen now, like order is completed. Sorry, I just took wrong example like washing machine and club into TV. But yeah, this is how you can allow your order to be done. Okay, and then you can send this report to customer also, and customer will receive the same report on his email with this email template. So I'm sending this report, and here is my email. So it will come here. Yeah, so email has been sent from here, and it will now part of my email, and I can see my report. Okay, with my signature and all this information. All right. So this is very useful. Now I'm going to the setup, how you can set up this. So first you go to project and create a new project with installation services. Inside settings, you can just put the timesheet field service worksheet enablement, and that's it. And go to your project configuration. In project configuration, okay, uh, we will have an option of worksheet templates, that is a part of field service. So whenever we are performing field service, I can design a worksheet, and I am getting a design template over here, which can allow me to design my own template using the studio field. Okay, that's how you can drag and drop and create your own form as a worksheet. And inside the product, you have to define your product, like this installation service is a service-based product I have defined, which is a prepaid fixed price product, and it will create a task on the order, and I have selected predefined project is installation services, and then I have connected installation worksheet over here to be filled up during this installation services, and it is capturing on hourly basis, and I can make a cost if it is chargeable. Just like you can use the same setup for electronic item or any other item which requires installation services, either it's paid, either it's free, that is your choice, which you can put inside your final order. Hope this small video will help some of the people to define their sales plus installation service strategy and then perform the installation services using the field service which is inbuilt in Odoo, connect with the worksheet, generate a report and get it signed by customer to complete that. Thank you.